Okay, now I'm gonna do the bottom part of my little teapot. I'm gonna, first of all, I have to find the center. Whoa, it's not centered at all. What I do here is I put it in the middle, as far as I can see in the middle, and then I use my needle tool to figure out if it's in the center or not. You see, if it's touching all around, it means that it's centered. Now I think it's kind of like okay, kinda, even though it doesn't look like it. I'm gonna trim it a little bit, and then I'm gonna continue. It's wobbling. There's a big gap here. So, I don't know if you can tell, but here's the sign. You see here where it touched the needle tool, and here it's not. So where it didn't touch it, I have to bring it towards me a little bit, and then place the clay back where it belongs and see if it's gonna work now. Now I think it's better. I'm pressing it a little bit because for some reason I think it's in the middle, but I don't feel it. You see how my finger is touching a little bit, but it's moving my finger. So it means that either there is something that it's not completely round, or oh, I see, there is like a little dent. When I lift it up from before, I think I might have caused a little bit of a dent. So it's slightly off, but I'm gonna fix it. I feel the dent. You see how I'm like holding it so it doesn't come flying out of the bed. I'm pressing a little bit with this tool. Looks much better. Now the bottom part actually came out very, very thin, so I'm going to keep it thin, but I do want to make it straight, so I'm going to press a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it. one more time. Here, the sides. Okay, now I'm gonna smooth it with my finger. And that's it. Okay.